Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall GIMP easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall GIMP from your computer, start by locating the control panel.
On Windows, click on the Start menu, then select Settings.
In the Settings menu, click on Apps. Within the Apps section, scroll down to find GIMP in the list of installed applications. Click on GIMP, then select the Uninstall button that appears.
A confirmation dialog will show up, asking if you want to proceed with the uninstallation.
Click on Yes to confirm that you want to uninstall GIMP. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. If prompted, restart your computer to finalize the changes. On Mac OS, open Finder and navigate to the Applications folder. Locate the GIMP application in the Applications folder. Drag the GIMP icon to the trash bin.
Alternatively, you can right-click on the GIMP icon and select Move to Trash.
To completely remove GIMP, open the trash bin and select Empty Trash.
If you need to delete leftover files, open Finder and click on Go in the menu bar. Select Go to Folder and type in /library. In the Library folder, look for any GIMP-related folders or files and delete them.
Once removed, you have successfully uninstalled GIMP from your computer.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.